Welcome back, everybody, Automotive Inc. Today I'm going to give you a little tip on how to soft reset your Ford Sync 4 system. Before we get going, make sure you smash the subscribe, helps a small channel out. Head over to the channel and check out tons of great content. Go up to the search bar. It is free to do, of course, to subscribe, and you can go over there and search until your heart is desired at the end of the video. Please give me a thumbs up and notification bell so you know new content is coming. So, Sync 4 system is a very reliable system, but sometimes they do have brain farts. So you may get in and find your Sync 4 turned black. It may just sit on the Ford Blue Oval startup screen, or any other interactions where it doesn't work correctly. This should give you the ability to soft reset it. May even save you a trip to the dealership, and it is super easy to do. Now, you do have to have the vehicle on. You can do it while you're driving, although if you get distracted super easy, try and do it when you're stopped at a stop sign. It'll take about 30 seconds to do, and let's give it a shot. So if you have a Sync 4 or Sync 3 system similar to this is how you're going to soft reset it. So what we're going to use is the volume button, not the knob, and the Sync forward button. So these two right here. Now, if you need to reset it while you're driving because it locks up or has a fart, then you can have your passenger do it. And all we're going to do is, and even if it's black or the blue oval sign, you're going to push and hold both of these simultaneously. And you're going to push and hold it until the screen turns off. If it's already off, just hold and you'll see the little white line go through it, and that is called a soft reset. And again, if it's already on this or stuck on this, which can happen, or black, just push and hold those two buttons for, 20 seconds, and it'll kick right back on. Now, in my experience, when I didn't do anything, it could take several different key cycles. It would be off for 25 minutes. Once I learned this little hack, I haven't had any problems with my screen staying black, staying on a different screen, or not working correctly. So sometimes it just needs that, just like a cell phone. That is how you do it, guys. I appreciate you guys all being here, and I'm going to catch you on the next one.